Have you ever wondered how your favorite candy is made? It's a fascinating process. Imagine a world filled with an array of sweets, from chewy gummies that stick to your teeth to creamy chocolates that melt in your mouth. Each one of these delightful treats has its own unique journey, its own sweet story of creation. Now, what's the common thread that binds these diverse candies? It's none other than sugar, that sweet crystalline substance that has the power to transform simple ingredients into mouth-watering confections. Whether it's a lollipop, a marshmallow, a piece of toffee or a chocolate bar, sugar is the star that gives each candy its characteristic sweetness. But candy making isn't as simple as just adding sugar. There's a whole world of techniques and ingredients involved in creating these sweet treasures. Stay with us as we delve into the intriguing world of candy making. You might be surprised at what you learn. So, where does this sweet journey begin? With sugar, of course. Sugar, our sweet friend, forms the backbone of most candies. It's the primary ingredient that sets the stage for the delightful journey of candy making. This humble ingredient, when subjected to heat, transforms into a multitude of textures and forms that we know and love in our candies. Imagine a piece of hard candy. Have you ever wondered how it achieves that clear, glass-like texture? Well, it's all about the temperature. When sugar is heated to a temperature range known as the hard crack stage, which falls between 305 to 310 degrees Fahrenheit, it forms a hard, brittle texture upon cooling. This gives us our beloved hard candies, lollipops and toffees. On the other hand, if you're a fan of softer, creamier candies like fudge or caramel, the sugar is heated to a lower temperature range. This is what we call the softball stage, which falls between 235 to 245 degrees Fahrenheit. At this stage, the sugar forms a pliable mixture that can be molded into soft, chewy delights. While this might sound like a simple process, it's a delicate dance of science and art. The temperature needs to be controlled precisely, as even a slight deviation can result in a different texture. The sugar also needs constant stirring to avoid any scorching or uneven heating. But it's not all about the heat. The cooling process also plays a crucial role in candy making. Once the sugar has been heated to the desired stage, it needs to be cooled rapidly to preserve its texture. This is done by pouring the mixture onto a cool surface or into a mold. And that, dear friends, is how the sweet magic begins. But wait, there's more to come. Our journey into the world of candy making is far from over. In the next scene, we'll delve into the fascinating world of flavors and colors and reveal how they add that extra bit of sparkle to our candies. But for now, let's take a moment to appreciate the versatility of sugar, the unsung hero of the candy world. Ever wondered how candies get their delightful flavors and vibrant colors? Let's find out. Once our sugar base is set and ready, it's time to add a little magic to the mix. You see, candies are not just about sugar. They're about the symphony of flavors that dance on your tongue and the rainbow of colors that delight your eyes. This is where flavorings and colorings come into play. Flavorings can be either natural or artificial. Natural flavorings are derived from fruits, berries, roots, or even flowers. They're extracted, concentrated, and added to the sugar base to give candies their distinctive tastes. An apple-flavored candy, for instance, gets its taste from the essence of real apples. Artificial flavorings, on the other hand, are concocted in labs. These are chemical compounds designed to mimic natural flavors. They are often used when a natural flavor is hard to capture or too expensive to extract. Ever wondered how a bubblegum-flavored candy tastes so consistent? That's artificial flavoring at work. Now let's talk about colors. Like flavorings, colorings can also be natural or artificial. Natural colorings come from sources like beetroots for red, turmeric for yellow, and spinach for green. Artificial colorings are created in laboratories and offer a wider spectrum of shades. These colorings are mixed into the sugar base, transforming it into a vibrant canvas. The beauty of these additions is that they allow us to create a wide array of candies, from a tangy lemon drop to a sweet cherry lollipop, from a chocolate-covered caramel to a minty candy cane. The possibilities are endless. Each candy, with its unique flavor and color, promises a different taste adventure. But here's a fun fact. Did you know that our perception of flavor is influenced by color? A red candy is often perceived as cherry or strawberry flavoured, while a green one is assumed to be apple or lime. So the colour of candy doesn't just make it attractive, but also adds to the overall taste experience. And just like that, with a dash of flavour and a splash of colour, our candy starts to take shape. But we're not quite done yet. We've saved the best for last. The secret ingredient that makes all candy irresistible. Now, you might be imagining a rare exotic spice or a hard-to-find expensive extract, but the truth is far from it. The secret ingredient isn't something you can hold in your hands or pour into a mixing bowl. It's the love and care that the candy makers put into their work. Every swirl of the lollipop, every chewy centre of a gummy bear, every burst of flavour in a hard candy, it's all a labour of love. It's the candy maker's dedication to perfection that makes each piece of candy a miniature work of art. The attention to detail, the commitment to quality, and the desire to bring joy to people's lives. That's what makes candy so good. And there you have it. The secret ingredient is not something you can buy, but something you can feel. The love and dedication that goes into making every single piece of candy. So we've been on quite a sweet journey, haven't we? From the humble beginnings of a simple sugar base, we've journeyed through the sticky, intricate process of candy making. We've seen how this base is transformed, evolving into something truly delightful, with the addition of flavours and colours. Each piece of candy, each morsel of sweetness, is a testament to the creativity and skill that goes into this craft. Remember how we spoke about the secret ingredient, that special element that gives candy its irresistible allure. It's more than just a component. It's a symbol of the passion and dedication that candy makers pour into their work. They strive to create a sweet surprise that will bring joy to your taste buds and a smile to your face. And so, dear friends, we find ourselves at the end of our sugary saga. Next time you pop a piece of candy into your mouth, take a moment to appreciate the journey it's been on. Because candy, like life, is all about enjoying the sweet things.